Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this tablet. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner of your chat window. Click on Files and hold the chosen ones right away. If you don't want to do it from here, you can also pick one of those apps. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to select one of those sources. And even tap on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Wherever you decide when you are finished, hold your file. And to add it, tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!